There's gray. Oh, now I see it.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm an interior designer and I have run into this problem all the time. My passion for design began when I was young. I loved to tour the parade of homes in Portland where I grew up and was inspired by the unique architecture there. I love design because it's kind of like a puzzle. You have to combine your needs with the space that you already have to create an environment that fits your lifestyle and also looks awesome. After 10 years as an interior designer, I realized I wanted to give everybody access to high quality advice without the commitment and the effort of hiring a professional. And that's why we created Tinted.
We've created an experience around selecting colors that's faster to use than the time it takes for the paint to dry on the walls. You simply give us a few details about your next project, including the type of room, lighting, colors you might have in mind. You then get instant color recommendations. It's like having an on-demand interior designer. And a few days later, you'll receive your Tinted package in the mail.
Included in your package are full-sized sample sheets of your professionally selected colors. We give you 2 main wall color options and 2 accent wall color options. No more wasted trips to the store, tiny paint chips, or messy wet paint samples. Hanging the sheets up and viewing them in your space makes it easy to visualize the end result. We also include professional design advice and tips tailored just for you, giving you the confidence you need to move forward.
Forget about the wasted time looking at paint colors on your phone. This is just a bad example of what it'll look like on your walls. We've already tested our beta product with over 50 individuals and are ready to scale up for our first customers. We also want to put some time into future features, such as turning the paint sheets into full-size stickers and providing coordinated design colors for decorating the room.
We want to give you the confidence that you need to transform your home. By backing us today, you'll get a discounted rate and early access to the product. We'll use these funds to build a larger inventory of paint samples and put the finishing touches on our app.
Help us save time and relationships. Make the pain of picking colors a problem of the past.